Hey guys, it's Andy with Gullo Toyota in Conroe, and today I wanted to take an opportunity inside the brand new 2022 Tundra to show you Toyota Safety Sense features. We went a little bit extreme with it today. I have every single feature off on this vehicle right now so that I can show you how to get it all set up. So if you ever see a screen like this where it doesn't have anything above your clock and all these orange lights are on, that means that a safety system is turned off. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this control pad here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. We're going to go over all the way to the settings screen. All right. And then it's going to be real simple from there. Pre-collision system on. Blind spot monitor on. Parking sensors on. Rear cross traffic alert on. Road sign assist on. And inside all of these, you can go into some more detailed settings. So like for pre-collision system, it's sensitivity. For blind spot monitor, it's brightness and sensitivity. Parking sensors, volume. Rear cross traffic alert, volume. And road sign assist, what notification method and what notification level. Now, the only one I haven't brought up yet is this LTA at the top, Lane Trace Assist. What you'll do is you'll come down to the right-hand side of the screen, I mean not the screen, of the steering wheel, and you're going to press this button right here. So we come back up, press the button, steering assist active, lane centering active. So that means your lane tracing assist with steering assist is on. If you hold down the button, you have your sensitivity, lane center, alerts, sway warnings, sway sensitivity. That is all the safety features for a 2022 Tundra. They are in your settings screen, on your multi-information display screen, and we'll be back with some more how-to videos later. Thank you.